future of Africa lies with the creative because they are the one changing the narrative of the world.
One of the most important and key things in investor readiness is to be able to objectively accept criticism of your business.
It was really exciting to engage with creative entrepreneurs. It's all about driving customer loyalty in today's world, right?
We need to connect very well when we are selling.
Creativity, the passion for the industry. So customer loyalty for me is very key in fashion. The wealth of knowledge that have been passed on to me in the CEP class is like unexplainable.
60 to 70% of the success of any crowdfunding project is the video. You must be able to convince people within a minute, maximum 2 minutes, why they should even back your project in the first place.
My experience here has shown me that I've not been doing business. I've just been running what I don't know.
I think it has been an eye-opener for them. A lot of them came in not knowing, where they were, what they were supposed to do with their business. It's very important to understand the element of financial modeling. You're not in business for charity. You're in business to make money.
I had problems with financial modeling, and then I've got to understand that there are basic steps to take to achieve that.
I've been exposed to business models, financial models, pricing, my customers, identifying them, being able to distinguish them amongst the large crowds of potential.
You have to be, so there's something called customer personas. You build your ideal customer in your head, right? Who are they? What do they do averagely? What do they earn averagely? What are their hobbies averagely? Where do you find them?
I found the class to be very enlightening. It was interesting to see people's interest in design thinking.
You cannot wake up one morning and say, oh, I want to go and find out people's problems today. What's your problem, young woman? Oh, what's your problem? No, I must have had an experience or encountered someone, and that experience might have given rise to that problem.
Society is constantly evolving, and that means that problems are evolving as well. So we want to make sure that we have the right insight to the problems so that we can actually create solutions that solve problems, and then we can gain value.
I would say everybody needs to be part of what's going on here because there's a lot to learn here.
It's been wonderful, it's been insightful, it has really exposed my mind to opportunities.
I loved it, very interactive. They had a lot of questions. You could tell that they love the fashion industry. This is an experience every entrepreneur should go through.
It's actually been a good experience so far for me because I came here empty to pick so many things from not just the class but from my colleagues as well.
I've attended a lot of trainings and workshops prior to now, but I must say there is nothing like the Creative Enterprise Program.
Winning this and having access to EDC will be such a great platform to learn and to grow.
I intend to use this as a platform for bigger things to come in the future.
Really, I can't really explain. I'm still shocked. Mixed feelings right in here and there. Shocked, happy, surprised. Lucky to be among the winners, really.
Had a lot of fun. I learned more about my business by talking about it in that level of detail.
Thank you so much to the Assembly. Thank you to British Council. This has been an amazing experience. I'm so glad. In fact, I wish I could. Okay, if there's a 2.0, they should please invite me.
You can never have enough knowledge, and learning is literally the only way that you can progress. So I'm very excited to have one-on-one mentorship with people who have been doing this for a long time and can give me some key insight.